Hi.
Okay, this is our bird savanna, and right here we actually have our sun conure. Okay, they are known as sun conure, and we also have our jay parakeet. No. Okay, the greenish one. Okay, how do you actually differentiate them? The more yellowish color will be the sun conure or the sun parakeet, and the green over there is our jay parakeet. We have one over there. It's our jay, but all of them are from Brazil. They are very vocal. They make a lot of chirping noise. Okay, 24/7. They are frugivorous birds, meaning their main diet will be fruits. But of course, we feed them also with nuts. Sunflower seed or pochi, we call it, being their favorite. They go nuts over pochi. If you wish to feed them and hold them on your palms, you can actually get the